The faint call to prayer echoed through the quiet morning air. To many, it was devotion. To Ada, it was a signal a new day has begun. She opened her eyes slowly, still listening, thinking. Then she rose, neatly arranged her bed, knelt beside it. Lord, guide my steps today, she whispered. Minutes later, water running, steam rising, silence. She stood in front of the mirror, dressed, composed, perfect. Yet something about her reflection felt distant, like she was preparing for something she didn't fully understand. She shook it off, picked her bag, and left. Back in the office had barely settled when the glass opened. Mr. Ken walked in, as usual, calm, unreadable. But today he didn't pass. He stood right at Ada's desk. See me in 20 minutes. His voice was firm, controlled, but his eyes lingered. Yes, sir, Ada replied. But as he walked away, she felt it. That look again. 20 minutes later, Ada stood in front of his office door. She hesitated just a second, then knocked. Come in. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Ada. A pause, heavy, uncomfortable. Mr. Ken leaned back slightly, watching her carefully. What is your full name? Ada blinked. Sir? Your full name, he repeated. Ada is Daniels. Silence. Something changed, but unmistakably. Mr. Ken's expression brightened. His lips curved slightly, almost like recognition. I thought as much, he muttered, barely audible. Ada frowned. Sir, are you talking to me? He snapped back quickly, too quickly. No, don't mind me. Another pause. Then his tone changed, lighter, warmer. Get ready. You'll be escorting me to a meeting with AZ Oil and Gas. Ada nodded slowly, but as she turned to leave, one question lingered in her mind. Minutes later, they were in the boardrooms. Voices, firm handshakes, business smiles, indicating victory. Two older men nodded in agreement, satisfied, impressed. The deal was done. As they left, the room fell silent, just Ada and Mr. Ken. He leaned back, exhaled. This called for celebration. He turned to her. Let's get a lunch. Ada hesitated, only for a moment. Then, okay, sir. In the restaurant, laughter, short conversation, clinking plates. But beneath it all, something was growing, unspoken, unclear, dangerous. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, lunches after lunch. Lunches became routine, then visits, then something more. Until one evening, at his house, Mr. Ken's house, everything changed. Dinner sat untouched. Ada stared at him, serious, unyielding. We have been together 9 months. Her voice was calm but firm. And every time I ask about your family, she paused. watching him. You shut me out. Why is that? I'm no longer comfortable with this. Mr. Ken's expression darkened. I've told you to drop this. His voice low, warning. What matters is us. Ada stood up slowly, picked her bag. No, he looked up surprised. That's not enough. Your family is not enough. I can't be with someone I don't know. A pause, heavy, final. Then it's over. She turned, walked out. The door closed behind her. Mr. Ken didn't move. Neither did he chase after her. For a long time, then he laughed. Softly, cold. I can't take her there, he whispered. To the past? No. His eyes darkened. She will come back. They always do. A pause, then a slow smile. Or I will make her believe whatever I want. He leaned back, satisfied. I can always create a family. No be Abuja again. I can even create elders and relatives. He laughed evenly in satisfaction. Silence. The next morning, in Ada's house, Ada received a message from unknown number. Mr. Ken is not who you think he is. Stop trusting him. Ada's heart skipped, and for the first time, fear crept in. Who is Mr. Ken? What is he hiding? What is in the past? Stay tuned to find out.